Hello, my name is Brian Montes, development of Step 3. Question number 1. Did you spend much money in your last trip? Was it the fireman? On the last trip, I didn't spend enough money. We traveled with my partner for 5 days and visiting distant relatives. I spent an amount on $200, which includes lodging, food, and transportation. Question number 2. What is the most unknown food you have tried on trip? One trip, Santa Marta. I tripped the Brea Prax. I didn't know thing or fancy thing. I have to fin thing in Bogota. I invite him to share why my family. Question number 3. What are the most visit place or tourist attraction in your city? Monserrate is one of the most visited places in Bogota. People who are in Bogota can enjoy good place. The short place visit the museums, squares, and restaurants. They have to included the Plaza Bolívar, the Gold Museum, and Restaurante of the Square of Perseverance. Question number 4. What was the most expensive place you visit in your city? The Cantayoles restaurant is one of the most expensive places I have visited. I tried a very delicious dish from the Mediterranean area, but I didn't like the attention of the waiter. I have written a recommendation to improve the attention. Question number 5. What are the best things that have happened to on trip? Mention two. Silent assail the humpback whales in the Gorgona Island was the most magnificent and wonderful thing I enjoyed on my vacation trip. I like to dance salsa and during a trip I might to compete in the Salsa World Cup that takes place in Cali. I didn't win but I was ranked number 3. I have to prepare it to champions. Thank you.